Hello guys, my name is Disha and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna talk about perfume and deodorants under 500 rupees, or you can say 450 rupees. These are quite affordable and I have been using it for the longest time. I'm also gonna give you a short review about it. So the first one I have is Nivea Deodorizer. This is in the variant White Musk and Care. To be honest, this is my third or fourth bottle and I quite enjoy using this one. And this retails for 230 rupees, but I don't know currently if the prices have changed or no. But again, you can get them on discount, and there's always some or the other sale running. Actually, I shouldn't be saying this. If you're my OG subscriber, you know me by now that all the products which I'm gonna show you are not purchased on MRP. I mean, I can't really purchase on MRP. So all the products, mostly except one or two, are purchased on MRP and rest of them are discounted one. So talking about this one, so this is a body deodorizer, so don't get confused about the normal Nivea deodorant and deodorizer. Just this is how the packaging looks like, and the normal deo wala ka packaging I guess also looks similar. So I guess they have 3 or 4 variants, but I've always picked up the musk one for me because I love musky smell. Majorly this deodorizer is to control your sweats and odor. I am a kind of person who really suffer from sweating in my underarms, and this really helps me. I don't know what is there in this deodorizer. You just have to spray it in your underarms directly and it is gonna stop you sweating. It does work for me sometimes on some days, and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know what is the jazz about it. Also, this is gas free and the quantity is pretty nice. So in case if you're someone who suffers with sweat, I would totally recommend you all buying this one. Again, this is just for 230 rupees and it is very cheap, and if you manage to get this one on discount, it would be a steal. So the second deo I have is from Revlon Love Her Madly. This is how it looks. Actually, this comes in a set of 2. I'm gonna insert a screenshot on the screen, and I really got this one for so cheap. Trust me, I guess under 150 rupees for 2 deodorants. Can you believe it? I guess 120 or 150 I'm gonna insert on the screen. Again, I bought this on discount. I don't have to say that. This is a really nice scent. So about this one, I really don't know how to explain you all the scent, but it is very floral. Yeah, and it is very decent. There was one more deodorant with this set and I don't have it. I gave it to my friend. It smelled like very fruity. You enjoy fruity scents, so I gave it to her and I've kept this one for me. You can totally buy it, and this is really nice if you want to gift someone, and if you're on a budget, you can totally get this set and gift it to someone. The third deodorant I have is from Studio West. It is named as Maya, and this retails for 225 rupees. And this smells amazing. This smells quite strong as compared to those two, and the quantity seems also nice. So I bought this from Westside Stores and there was an amazing deal running. Buy one get one free, only for 225, only for the price of one. I bought one more and gave it away to my friend, and I kept it, this one. If you end up going to Westside Stores, I would really ask you all to sniff this one, and if they have an offer running that buy one get one, just get this one. The next perfume I have is from Jovan White Musk, Jovan, whatever you call it. So this is my OG perfume and it is so cheap, you guys. This retails for 200 rupees, and guess what? I have another one as a backup. The price is 200 rupees, which I feel is quite affordable. I have emptied this one. I don't know why I forgot to mention about this in my empties. Okay, it's there. I just love this smell. I quite enjoy musky scents, and again this is White Musk, and it smells amazing. You really need to get this one, you know, and just try this for yourself. If you haven't tried this perfume, I mean, what are you doing with your life? You really need to get this one. I mean, you just have to get this one. There are 2 versions. The white one is for women and the blue या black one is for men. I don't mind using men perfumes also, and they smell amazing. I'm someone who likes strong, manly and that kind of smell. I'm not into floral or fruity or like, you know, that kind of scents. So I really quite enjoy this one. And you know, the best thing about this perfume, it lasts long. So the clothes you apply this on, it is gonna smell for 2 days. How strong this perfume is. No matter if I have other perfumes or no, I have to have this perfume, and I already have a backup of this. So please will thank me if you like musky smells, very sophisticated smell. You need to get this one. All right, coming to perfumes, I just have a few. This is Miniso's Crystal Diamond perfume. So as you can see, the bottle is quite pretty. It was actually more prettier. It had a flower here, but I lost it. If I find a picture from my phone, I'm gonna insert it. You can see how beautiful it is. And I bought this one between 400 to 500. I don't remember the exact price. So this is a combination of floral and fruity scent. So in case if you're into it, you can buy. The quantity was also decent. But I quite love this bottle, how pretty this is. You can find really affordable perfumes in Miniso stores. So I had purchased this one long back, and I've still kept the bottle because I am a hoarder. I really like to hold on to cute things, cute, pink, glittery, I don't know. This is 50 ml bottle, and it is quite nice. You can travel with it also. You can keep it in your vanity. The flower thing, it used to look very pretty, but yeah, I mean, you could totally give this a try. I mean, how small and cute this is. So keeping the budget under 500 rupees, I have 2 more perfumes from Zara. So talking about this one, this is a roll-on mini perfume. Zara Gardenia is the name. These roll-ons mini perfume, they retail for 390 or 400 rupees, and they are amazing. Just in case if you don't want to invest on bigger bottles, or if you're someone who get confused between scent. This happened with me. I had purchased a big full-size bottle because it smelled really good in the store, but I bought it and then I used it. I wasn't quite satisfied with the perfume, so that is what I do. I always pick up these mini roll-ons. So I use it for multiple times, and if I'm really satisfied with the product, then only I get myself a bigger bottle, because I'm very choosy when it comes to perfumes. So this smells really amazing. As you can see, I have emptied this a lot, and this is a very strong smell. This is like very manly, I can say. I mean, it is not floral or fruity for sure, but this is more like how gents perfume smells, very strong, very manly. It is very difficult for me to describe the smell. So even the person sitting next to you would be able to smell this perfume. It is that great. I know it says rose. I know this is the rose variant, but it doesn't smell very rose, like too much rose in your nose. It's not like that. This is a very sophisticated smell. The quantity is also amazing. For 390, 400 rupees, this smells amazing. I mean, I just can't explain perfumes. If you're looking out for good long-lasting perfumes, you can always get Zara perfumes. They are just mind-blowing. Also, I'm gonna mention all the links in the description box below. So if you want to purchase any of these perfume, you can buy it for yourself. So keeping the budget under 500, these were my perfumes. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and drop in your video suggestions. I would really like to know that what my audience want to see, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.